VDMA, together with its member companies, has set up a circular economy forum here in K. The idea is to show how circular economy works on the shop floor. So what have we got in place? What is reality today already? And within the VDMA Dome, which is part of this Circular Economy Forum, we try to explain how circular economy works in principle. So what different technologies and different products are available for making circular economy possible. We are so happy. We're so happy that this K works fantastic, because after all the trouble our industry went through and all the economy went through, it's really thrilling to see a K which is in full swing, which is back to normal, occupying the complete area of the Messe Düsseldorf. And I've got the feeling that also the resonance we get from the visitors is really great. What we can do is to promote circular economy is to really showcase what is in place, to make clear that we fundamentally believe in circular economy, and we as an industry need to have a mind change, a transformation towards a world where we close the material loop. Because we have to understand at the end, plastic waste is not rubbish. It's very precious, and we need to regard it as a resource which we badly need. I think if we are courageous and we understand what the real problems are and address them accordingly, then we will have a bright future. So I'm very optimistic, yes.
Ba 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 da da.